Today we'll be using Amazon S3 for hosting your static websites. So first you're going to want to navigate to the S3 dashboard and click on this create a bucket if you don't have one yet. So we'll first call this bucket test site. Remember that the name of the bucket must be globally unique. So I will be skipping through all this information here. So I will be disabling block all public access to allow us to access our website publicly. And that is how we create a bucket. Okay, the next important piece of hosting a public or static website is to upload the necessary files. So we'll go here and you can either click on add files, add a folder, but I'll just be dragging it and dropping. I have an index HTML file here and click upload, and the file has successfully uploaded. And at this time we cannot access this static website publicly because we have not allowed the proper permissions or set the proper permissions. So we'll be doing that next. Set the proper permissions on your S3 bucket. You'll want to navigate to the bucket level as indicated here, and then click on permissions and scroll down here to where it says bucket policy, and this is where we enter our policy to allow users to view our website. We'll click on add new statement. We'll change principal to all. Action will be determined by this section here. Get object, which grants permission to retrieve objects from Amazon S3. Next, the resource, which is everything within this S3 bucket. And if there were any errors, it would not allow us to save this file, this JSON file here. And that is how we set our bucket policy. All right, let's go ahead and test this to see if it runs. Great, it runs. And as you can see here, there are some client-side Java script. This here is informing me about my connection type. And that's it. Next, we want to enable website static hosting. So we'll go into our bucket, go into the properties tab, scroll all the way down till you see static website hosting. Click on edit, enable static website hosting, define your entry point. In our case, that's the index.html file. Click on save changes, scroll down, and there you have it.